Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we will see how you can connect Jira with Enterprise Search. First of all, click on Knowledge. Here you'll see all the available apps. Find Jira and click on Connect. You'll be asked to connect your Jira account. Click on Continue. Here you need to authorize the connection. Scroll down to review the permissions, then click Accept. Jira is successfully connected. Click on Continue again. You'll notice the status has changed from Connect to Connected. To configure, click on the three dots, then click on Configure. Here you can select specific Jira projects or select all and click on Sync. All the selected boards are synced successfully. Here you can see the details with a progress bar. Below that, you will see a list of all the synced boards. To view the board in Jira, you can click on this small arrow. For additional options, click on the three dots. Here you can check permissions or open the board in Jira. To return to the previous screen, simply click on this arrow. And that's how you can connect Jira with Enterprise Search. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.